as pressure mounts to punish oligarchs for Russian President Vladimir Putin's invasion of Ukraine. Roman Abramovich has a multi-billion-dollar insurance policy should the UK come after his assets, his beloved Chelsea FC. The club Abramovich bought for around $190 million in 2003, loved, nurtured and built into the 2021 UEFA Champions League winner, was valued by Forbes at $3.2 billion last year. It owes the Russian billionaire, its majority owner, a staggering $2 billion. Karen Maguire, a soccer finance lecturer at the University of Liverpool, says it gives Abramovich no shortage of leverage in the UK, depending on how deep sanctions might go. The worst-case scenario for Chelsea fans is now on the table. If he wants to get his own back, he could call in the loan from Chelsea, Maguire says. That means Chelsea goes out of business, and Putin will be able to say, well, you started it. The situation underscores how the unfolding crisis could impact the sports world, especially as many teams scramble to cut ties with Russia. The German Bundesliga's FC Schalke 04 announced Thursday it was removing the logo of Russian energy giant Gazprom from its jerseys. Manchester United has yet to comment on its sponsorship with Russia's biggest airline, Aeroflot, after sanctions prohibited the company from operating in the UK, and possibly the most severe blow yet, UEFA is moving the Champions League final out of St. Petersburg. Expect more big draw events to flee Russia. Forbes calculates Abramovich's fortune at $13.3 billion, mostly from steelmaking and metals. His name has repeatedly topped the list of oligarchs most likely to face the next round of UK sanctions on assets and business interests. Over the last week, Parliament has been forced to address the flow of Russian money into London as US and European Union politicians say they fear loopholes in UK rules could derail their punitive measures against Russian aggression. The most significant attack came today from Labour's Chris Bryant, who told the House while he was protected from defamation lawsuits by parliamentary privilege that Abramovich should no longer be able to own a soccer club in this country, adding that the UK should be looking at seizing some. The latest annual accounts for Ford's Tom Limited, Chelsea's parent company, confirm a $2 billion loan provided by the ultimate controlling party, Mr. Abramovich. Over the past year, Abramovich loaned Chelsea another $26 million even as the club lifted the Champions League trophy in June 2021. Maguire describes the loans as leverage against any significant attack on his assets. The club does not have the resources to pay the money back, Maguire says. If Chelsea was sold, ultimately you sell for enterprise value. Whether this money goes in the form of equity or debt is irrelevant.